2025 Volkswagen T-Roc. Hi everyone. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc, a compact SUV that has gained popularity among drivers seeking a versatile and fun vehicle. The T-Roc has quickly established itself as a popular choice in the compact SUV segment. Its stylish design, efficient engines, and comfortable interior have made it a favorite among drivers looking for a blend of practicality and performance. Under the hood, the T-Roc is available with a range of engines, including gasoline and diesel options. These engines offer a good balance of power and fuel efficiency, making the T-Roc a suitable choice for both city driving and highway cruising. The T-Roc's design is modern and stylish with a rugged yet refined appearance. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in urban environments, while the spacious interior offers comfortable seating for 5 passengers. The T-Roc is also equipped with a range of advanced features, including a touchscreen infotainment system, a panoramic sunroof, and driver assistance technologies. Sets the T-Roc apart from other compact SUVs is its combination of style, practicality, and performance. It's a vehicle that offers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience, while also being fuel efficient and affordable. The T-Roc is a great choice for drivers who want a versatile and stylish SUV that can handle both city driving and weekend adventures. The 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc is a modern crossover that offers a perfect blend of style, practicality, and performance. With its efficient engines, comfortable interior, and advanced features, it's a great choice for drivers seeking a versatile and enjoyable vehicle. If you're looking for a compact SUV that can handle anything you throw at it, the T-Roc is definitely worth considering. Like, share, and subscribe the video.